Tracy and I think Denari had a conversation about the fact that I know one we HOH because this house too tough. You know, in fact, I think you said you don't want to win it until at least week 4. Why?
Okay, you see, HOH comes with a whole lot of responsibilities, and I believe it's easier to control animals than human beings. Just my perspective, though. So
your housemates are worse than animals?
I'm not saying that, just my own theory. And I see the couple of people don't give a fuck about couple of people don't respect the HOH. So I think that it takes a whole lot to be in that position, and I'm not ready yet mentally.
Interesting. Tracy, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
You also were there, and you kept saying, if you win HOH, what will you do? You cannot control these people. And it's very interesting to me because this is probably the first season I've seen housemates, and it's not just 2 of you, a lot of you had that conversation over the week. It's the first time I've heard housemates say they don't want to be HOH, which means you don't want immunity.
Okay, personally, I did not say I don't want. I was like, oh, Biggie, this is the first season I'm seeing housemates saying they don't want to be HOH. And I kept saying, oh, you guys, HOH comes with immunity. And when I said, people were like, yeah, maybe because of the immunity, I want to be HOH. But the whole responsibility, I don't want to. So personally, I never said that. I was just like emphasizing that people this season do not want to be HOH.
I've never seen people who are afraid of being leaders.
Have you seen these housemates?
And
God.
Well, good luck to you guys and your wishes, because avoiding HOH with this season, you never know what that means.